Welcome back, everyone. Carissa from Goodbudget here. We're almost finished with our 5-part How to Get Started series. And so far, I've added my envelopes, accounts, and income in Goodbudget. But this is where it gets good. In this video, I'll show you how I fill up my envelopes so I know exactly how much I can spend worry-free. And since Grandma's my guide, I'll tell you the time-tested way she filled up her envelopes way back when. When my grandma was budgeting with paper envelopes, she'd take her empty envelopes to the bank and take out a bunch of cash. Remember, she had planned $300 for groceries, $1,000 for rent, and $50 for fun. And she stuffed exactly that much into each envelope. So then her envelopes were all filled with what she needed. I do pretty much the same thing in Goodbudget. Here's how I fill my envelopes. When I'm logged into the web, I see all this money available, which is ready for me to use to fill my envelopes. That's kind of like the cash Grandma took out from her bank to stuff into her envelopes. So I click on the Fill Envelopes button at the top of the screen. Now I select to fill from Available, since that's where I've got my money. And yep, I'm going to click this Schedule This box because I definitely want my envelopes to be filled automatically every month. Next, I use the Quick Fill drop-down menu and choose the Add All option. I call this the rollover option because it will add the budgeted amount to each of my envelopes. That means if I still have $25 left over this month and then I add $300, I'll have $325 to work with next month. Or if I overspend by $25 this month and then I add $300, I'll only have $275 to work with next month. Once I select Add All, my envelope should become green, showing me how much I can spend. I've still got some money available. Cool. I'm going to add that to vacation since I'm saving up. Great. Now available is 0. As long as it's not negative, I'm good. If you don't have enough money right now to fill up all of your envelopes, that's okay. With the money you do have available, just fill up the envelopes you need to use between now and your next paycheck. You can always come back and fill your envelopes again the next time you get paid. Now I'm finished, so I'll press Save. Great. My envelopes are all green online now, and I know exactly how much I can spend. Plus, I can see my changes on my phone, so I can check my envelopes on the go when I'm at the store. And so can my husband. And that's it. All that's left to do is to go to the store and buy something. And in the next video, I'll show you how I track my spending in Goodbudget.